Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to buy diamonds on Likee app. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Likee app and log into your account. Next step, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you click on that, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to see three dots. Click on the three dots and then select wallet. Once you're right here, you have to wait for it to load up completely in some seconds. All right, so once it loads up, make sure the Daimonds tab is selected at the top area. Here's the Daimonds tab. All right, so once that is selected, you're going to see different varieties of diamonds that you can actually buy, and also you're going to see the price of each diamond. For example, 42 diamond will cost 1,914 naira. Right, you're going to see the value in your local currency. Okay, so if you want to buy any of this, just select it just like that. Just click on the price of the diamond, and then you can proceed with payment. So if you're using an Android, make sure that your credit card is added to your Google Play so that you can make payments directly from there. Right, so if it's not added, head to Play Store and add your credit or debit card. So once that is added, you get this option to buy at the bottom of your screen. Click on the buy option. Click on that and you proceed with the payment. Right, so once payment is successful and you purchase your diamonds, it's going to reflect right here in your account balance, in your diamonds account balance. Right, so it's going to reflect right here. Okay, so that's it guys on how you can buy diamonds on Likee app. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and you want to subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.